Morning guys, so I am back with another hair video, right? And you remember the braiding hair from last time? We're gonna use that same braiding hair again. So first I'm just going to use the hairspray, and I'm just going to spray down that braiding hair, and I'm just going to take a brush and I'm just going to brush it out.
Get that nice and smooth again, right? See? All nice and smooth again.
All you need is a tail comb, edge control, which I'm using the black edge control again because I want my hair to look full.
I'm just going to put that amount on my hands, and I'm just going to put this at the back just so I can get the back, smooth. And then I'm going to go in with this brush, same brush I used to brush the weave. And I'm trying to get this ponytail on the top of my head up here, okay? Take the edge control and I'm going to put it. I'm not using a lot, okay? Whoops.
See? Makes it really nice and smooth. Use my brush because I want it even smoother. Wrap that around. To take my ponytail now, and I'm going to put the elastic, just put it over that, right? And then I'm just going to take it and wrap it around. I'm going to go around like that, and I'm going to leave one end off, and then this end,
I'm just going to take this end and fold it like so. Fold it up, roll it on up, right? And I'm just going to pin that into place. Get my pins, and I'm going to, you don't have to pin it.
I'm going to pin the back in, right? And then I'm going to pin the sides in, right? Like that. So you're going to take this end, and I'm just going to take this and I'm going to section it in 3, and I'm just going to do a braid on it. Regular braid, nothing fancy. We don't get to the fancy part yet, right? I'm just going to pull on the braids, like pull it on it like that. I don't know if you can see. I'm just going to pull on it. Make this as big or as small as you want it, okay guys? This braid is going to go around your ponytail. You see how nice that looks? So this is going to go around your ponytail like that, okay? So and then I'm just going to tuck the back under, and I'm just going to push a pin in it, in the back like that, right? That's it. I'm going to turn around so you can see the back, right?
I'm going to go back in because I want my little edges to look fuller, so I'm going to take the edge control again.
And this edge control is good for if you have a lot of gray hairs, and if you want areas that you want to cover, you can use this edge control. I love it. And it makes my hair like really nice and smooth. So pony puff. Hope you enjoy that style, and see you next time for more ponytails, more buns, okay? All right.